Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to check the full model name of your device. So the full model name of your laptop should be written down on the back cover of your device. So let me turn the back side of it to face you, and right here on the back cover you'll be able to see the model, and next to it is the model name of your device. So for me it will be E410M. So that's basically it. That's how you check your model. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.